Samsung is about to launch its brand new Galaxy Note 20 family along with the Fold 2 with a bunch of other products. Talking about its specifications, the Note 20 will have 6.4-inch flat display with 60 or 120Hz support, and it is available in 3 color variants, namely grey, green and copper, but sources say that the Samsung will not provide the Aura Glow color option as seen in the Galaxy Note 10 series. Not only that, it is IP68 certified and backed up with a powerful Exynos 992 chipset, and it will use A78 Cortex and Mali GPU, which offers 20% and 25% improvement in performance and graphics respectively. And also, a powerful phone comes with a powerful battery, so it is backed up with 4300 mAh. And talking about camera, it will have 108MP main, 12MP ultra wide lens and 64MP telephoto lens. So that was all about Note 20 series. If you liked the video, do drop a big fat thumbs up, and if you are not still subscribed, do subscribe to our channel Techno Brothers and put the notifications bell to all to never miss an update from the Techno Brothers. Bye.
Yeah.